Hey there, Finance Virtuosos. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been causing quite a stir: the potential impact of AI on the job market. Brace yourselves, because some of the jobs we've grown accustomed to might be on the chopping block sooner than you think. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. For your daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. As technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, it's no secret that AI and machine learning are reshaping nearly every industry imaginable. From cleaning floors to analyzing credit risks, these advanced systems are demonstrating their worth, leaving many experts concerned about the future of employment. Some experts believe that within the next decade or two, AI will dominate a significant portion of jobs, potentially rendering a sizable chunk of the workforce economically obsolete. On the flip side, others argue that while AI will undoubtedly impact the job market, it will also pave the way for new opportunities and spark an unprecedented revolution in human history. Despite the vastly differing opinions on the magnitude of AI's influence, one thing is clear: we're on the brink of witnessing major changes in the labor market, possibly even as early as this year. Let's examine the historical context. Way back in the 19th century, people were already expressing concerns that AI might one day snatch away thousands, if not millions, of jobs from human workers. Interestingly enough, those fears never really materialized. For every job lost during the Industrial Revolution, at least one more was created. The rise of machines during that era led to the obsolescence of physically demanding jobs, while simultaneously giving birth to new vocations that required higher cognitive skills. At the time, machines couldn't compete with humans on a cognitive level, which gave us a significant edge in the job market. However, there are compelling reasons to believe that this time, automation could be a real game changer. Research suggests that human abilities can be broadly categorized into two domains: cognitive and physical. Initially, machines primarily competed with humans in terms of raw physical abilities, like harvesting crops or operating heavy machinery. But now, AI is encroaching on the cognitive realm, an area that was once exclusively human. With breakthroughs in AI and machine learning happening at an incredibly rapid pace, we're witnessing machines surpassing humans in skills that were once considered uniquely human, like understanding emotions and making intuitive decisions. So, without further ado, let's dive into some of the jobs that are predicted to be at the highest risk of being replaced by AI as soon as 2024. Number 1. Customer service representatives. You might be surprised to learn that AI is not only capable of outperforming humans in evolutionary distinct abilities like reading emotions and situations, but also boasts unique non-human capabilities like connectivity and rapid development. An AI customer service representative can instantly access a customer's entire history, understand their needs, and provide tailored solutions more efficiently than a human ever could. Plus, they're less likely to make simple mistakes like misspelling names or providing inaccurate information. Beyond just understanding the customer's needs, AI customer service can also analyze massive datasets on consumer behavior, trends, and preferences to proactively offer suggestions and anticipate future needs. The ability to constantly learn and update from vast datasets gives AI a significant advantage in providing a seamless, personalized experience that humans would struggle to match consistently. Number 2. Doctors. In the medical field, AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery, especially in underserved areas. Imagine having access to not just one doctor, but a network of AI physicians through your smartphone. While human doctors would still be needed for administering treatments, AI could provide faster, more accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations by analyzing vast amounts of medical data in real time. This could be a game changer for regions with limited access to quality healthcare. Moreover, AI systems could potentially detect patterns and make connections that even the most experienced human doctors might miss. By rapidly processing millions of case studies, clinical trials, and cutting-edge research papers, AI could identify subtle signs, symptoms, or biomarkers that lead to earlier diagnosis and more effective treatment plans tailored to each individual patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle factors. Number 3. Drivers. When it comes to driving, we often compare human drivers to self-driving cars. But what if we looked at it from a different perspective? Instead of individual human drivers, consider a network of interconnected AI vehicles sharing real-time data and coordinating their movements. Unlike humans, who can be distracted, intoxicated, or make poor decisions, an integrated system of self-driving cars could significantly reduce accidents and fatalities caused by human error. According to statistics, over 90% of traffic accidents are the result of human error, resulting in millions of lives lost annually. Additionally, self-driving cars could potentially increase fuel efficiency, reduce traffic congestion, and even change the way we design and utilize our transportation infrastructure. With AI systems optimizing routes, coordinating merges and lane changes, and maintaining a steady flow of traffic, we could see a significant reduction in wasted time, fuel, and emissions caused by human driving patterns. Now, you might be wondering, what's fueling this anxiety about the future of the labor market? Well, it's not just the development of new technologies, it's the convergence of information technology with biotechnology. As we gain a deeper understanding of the biochemical mechanisms that guide human emotions and decision-making, computers become better equipped to analyze our behavior, predict our choices, and potentially replace us in roles that require intuition and emotional intelligence. The AI revolution isn't just about faster computers, it's propelled by recent discoveries in life and social sciences. The better we understand the human mind, the better AI can become at replicating and surpassing our cognitive abilities. Now, it's important to note that there will likely be hurdles and political debates surrounding the widespread adoption of AI in the workforce. Additionally, there's still so much about the human mind that remains undiscovered, which means we can't predict with certainty what new careers might emerge to replace those lost to automation. However, one thing is clear: the way we perceive and approach work is bound to change dramatically in the coming years. The key question is whether we'll be able to adapt and embrace these changes or resist them at our own peril. So, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into some of the jobs that could potentially be replaced by AI in the near future. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and the true impact of AI on the job market remains to be seen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI will be a job killer or a job creator? How do you envision the future of work? I'm eager to hear your perspectives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep learning, keep an open mind about emerging technologies, and never stop leveling up your financial wisdom.